friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product review. And today's video we are going to review the Kurkure Solid Masti. So these are masala twisties from Kurkure, and today we're going to review this. So let's start off with the review. So we'll first talk about the packaging of it. It comes in this yellow color packaging right here with the Kurkure branding in the front. It says Solid Masti Masala Twisties, and the MRP of the same is ₹20. Right, and then the illustration of the masala twisties are shown here, right here. It says pure vegetarian namkeen. Per serving of 20 gram packs in 106 kcals of calories. Really high on the calorie, this one. Moving on to the back of the pack, again we have the Kurkure branding here. It says बेवक्त की भूख सताए कुरकुरे solid मस्ती हो जाए. Moving on to the ingredients. The ingredients are edible vegetable oil, which is rice bran oil, edible starch, besan, rice flour, potato powder, iodized salt, seasoning. In seasoning, it contains iodized salt, maltodextrin, black salt, milk solids, acidity regulators, flavor, natural and nature identical flavoring substances, sugar, tomato powder as well. Moving on to the net weight, this is 61 gram pack that I have with me, and the MRP of same is ₹20. So guys, let's go ahead and open the Kurkure Solid Masti Masala Twisties and do a quick taste test. Once I open it, here is the twisty. I can show you all. This is how it looks. Nice and crisp. Very, very flavorful. And tastes amazing. After popcorn, I think I like this. First is the Kurkure popcorn, which I like, and then I like the solid masti curry. But nothing can beat the popcorn as a great snacking item. When you just want to have some unhealthy food, I choose popcorn. But this is also great. So guys, if you are looking to buy the Kurkure Solid Masti, it's available online on Amazon. It's also available in your local stores. If you are looking to buy it on Amazon, I'll left a link in the description below. Do check it out from there. And if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.